We're in Cabo. I told you I was staying here for free. I wanted you guys to get a chance to see the hotel we stayed at. This is it, the Hyatt Los Cabos review. First things first, I want to thank all my subscribers. I'm excited to get into this review, but we got to back it up a little bit because there is a scam as soon as you touch down in Los Cabos. It's a bona fide trap. 75% of people are falling for this. I guarantee it. In this room, these gentlemen are trying to do one thing. They're trying to recruit you to do a timeshare. They're going to ask you what travel you're taking, blah, blah, blah. Get out of here as fast as possible. Exit stage right. And walk out these doors. Once you get out here, now you got options. You got your taxis. If you pre-booked like we did, we took this gray line. They're gonna know your name. It's not gonna be a mystery, and you're gonna get to your destination. But I just had to back it up. Now let's get back to the hotel. Hey, they're gonna let us in, man. What's going on? They know you though, right? Don't they know you?
He's my uncle, so he should let us in. So we have connections. Dale, Abelardo, le traigo dos personas bajo el apellido Black. Sí.
They gotta check to make sure I'm on the list. Hey, I'm staying here tonight, right?
Sí.
I'm staying here tonight. Hey, please sanitize everything else too. Senor, can you sanitize the rest?
I'm gonna take your body temperature.
Some serious safety stuff going on here. I think I'm good. Okay.
Just as a reminder, you're gonna need your passports handy, okay, guys?
Okay.
And the face mask is mandatory in the resort, okay? Do you want a welcome drink?
Yes, please.
Yeah, perfect. Follow me.
So you said mandatory, so when you're walking around the resort, you have to have a mask?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you're on the beach or in the pool, you're okay.
No problem. If you're eating or drinking, no problem.
Okay.
Just if you're moving around.
Okay, gotcha.
He can offer you paloma, margarita, mojito, and micheladas, okay, guys?
Okay.
As soon as you get your drinks, you just follow.
Did you say an enchilada?
Michelada.
Oh, michelada. Oh, yeah, I got you.
That's right.
Gotcha.
And as soon as you finish with your, when you get your drinks, follow the red line and you will be starting with your check-in process. Denver, okay?
Yes.
Jump in, on.
We in this bitch. This is not the video I'm trying to do, but we in this video, I guess, like this. You can't swim here, but I did add a link to a beach you can swim at. So as you can see, there's a lot to get into here. I want to talk about the hotel a little bit. The room is average. There is a mini bar. It does have room service. They do deliver. We have a nice view because we got upgraded. This is an example of the swim up. And this is actually the adult side where there is food served over here, drinks served over here. Another part to definitely check out and don't miss. I would be remiss to not talk about the towel game. You need to wake up at 7, 8 o'clock, get downstairs, and get your towel on one of these chairs because they go fast, especially if you want to sit on this main pool right here. So we learned 2 days or so, but that's the game. Save some towels from the day before, come down here and drop your towel down on your chair. So, also another tip, come on a Thursday if you're interested in the foam party. There's bubbles, there's girls, there's guys, there's saxophonists, there's DJs. It's like Vegas in a pool in Cabo. It was really a good time. We had a lot of fun. Some of the most fun I've had in the pool in a long time. But definitely check his place out on a Thursday. You got to be here on Thursday. It starts at like 1 o'clock, and I think it ended at like 3. Don't quote me on that, but just come on Thursday and go to that pool. You'll find it. Another tip, you gotta book hibachi as soon as you check in. This is the most popular restaurant. If you want to sit here and do hibachi with the chef in front of you, you gotta book it early. There's a lot of stuff to keep people occupied. We step foot into the theater to watch this show. There's also a sports bar where we actually watch the NBA Finals. Definitely a lot of stuff on site to check out and enjoy during your stay here at the Hyatt. So I guess the biggest question is it worth $600 to $700? Whew, that's a lot of money. I think it is if you're gonna eat and drink that much. You can get top shelf. Like I said, I told you at the beginning, just try to get the VIP wristbands. Your wristbands determine the alcohol you can get. But $600 to $700, whew, it's a lot. Would I do it if I was spending my own money? Probably not. But for free, 100%, I would go. And if you got that kind of money laying around, definitely go check this place out. We had a great time. Cabo was an amazing trip. This concludes the Cabo series. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you had any comments, put it in the comments. And as usual, if you like what you see, subscribe. Until next time, guys, talk to you later.